How to increase the Milestone credit card limit. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to increase your credit limit with Milestone. So to do this, you need to manage your credit responsibly. Make sure that you make your monthly payments on time and in full. This shows Milestone that you can handle the credit responsibly, which may prompt them to review your limit after a good payment history, typically within 6 to 12 months. Next, focus on improving your credit score as well. So if you use your Milestone card responsibly and manage your overall credit well, your credit score will improve, and this improvement may lead the Milestone to automatically reassess your credit worthiness and potentially grant a limit increase as well. But unfortunately, there is no formal application process for increasing your credit limit. Instead, you must rely on the strategies I just mentioned. So we hope you found this information helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.